Hey you guys, the Doc is Hope here and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well and having a great week so far. So today I'm bringing you guys my last summer collection. I don't know when I'm gonna do another collection, y'all, because this one burned me out just a little bit, but I love it. And this is what I am calling my God's Promise collection. Before we get into it, the pattern that I am wearing today is an oldie goodie. This is MCCALL'S 7908, which is this jumpsuit that I made in linen with the collar and the exposed zipper. It's shorts. I don't know if y'all can see this. Let me bring it down just a little bit. Hold on. There we go. It's shorts. I've made this in the jumpsuit with pants and the jumpsuit shorts twice. So it is a tried and true pattern, which I love, from MCCALL'S, and that's what I'm wearing today. I'm trying to get this camera angle right, y'all. I'm not normally standing. So yeah, so back to it. Let's go ahead and hop into this video. Okay, so yes, this is my God's Promise collection. This is based off of Genesis 9:13 through 17. If you got some time to read it, go read it. I was like inspired and I was like, yes. He used the rainbow in the sky as a sign of that covenant and that promise. And so that is what inspired my collection. So yes, that's what I'm sharing with you today. So the first piece you guys have already seen, so I'm actually going to cover it last. The second piece, so I did the colors of the rainbow, right? So the second piece is this dress, which y'all, such a good dress. This was just a really standard shift dress, if you will. And I'm gonna figure out the best way to do this. Let me put it down. Okay. So for this dress, I used New Look pattern 6095, which is here. And I knew that this dress was going to be cute and simple. So that was what I went with. I used an orange cotton fabric for this, which I love for summer and spring. And it just made this super cute dress with the zipper in the back. And as you can see, the zipper is like a lap zipper. So it's hidden, which I think is so cute. This dress is so flattering on you guys. And it's not too short. It's just right. So that is my orange in the rainbow. Let's see, the next one is the yellow in the rainbow. And that is this dress that I made. I showed it to you guys on my dress form a while ago. And this was it. So this is like a baby doll style dress. For this dress, I used a PDF pattern from MCCALL'S. This was MCCALL'S 8197, which is here. And I just love the silhouette of that. I had never made a baby doll dress, and I don't think I had even owned one with like the ruching up here. And so I was like, okay, MCCALL'S, I'll try it. And I did, and I like it overall. I got a lot of compliments on this dress because of the color. And I do love yellow. I don't have a lot of yellow in my closet, but this dress, I actually plan to give it to my daughter because she's my photographer. And when she saw this dress, she was like, ooh, mommy, I want that dress. And I was like, you know what? It's yours. It's yours. I'm going to have to take it in a little bit because she's teeny tiny, but I'm going to give her this dress. She loved the sleeves and the waist here and the baby doll flowiness. So it is hers. This is the yellow dress. So the next dress in the collection is, actually it's not even a dress. I got ahead of myself. Next piece in the collection is this green jumpsuit. And y'all, when I tell you I plan to make her again, yes, again. So this is the green in the rainbow. It has pockets, y'all. Can y'all see those pockets? It has a crisscross in the front and a crisscross in the back. So it's doing a lot in all the right ways. This is like a ankle length pant on this, and I like it like that. I actually do prefer it to like a long pant or a short, and I love it. It has facings. For this jumpsuit, I used New Look 6493, which is here, and I made View D, which is here, in a nice green poplin. I think I used poplin for most of this collection because honestly, y'all, when I did that pattern haul back in December about like my 5 days till Christmas fabric haul, I had bought all these colorful fabrics. I don't know if y'all remember that. And I was like, yep, I got this, 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 this. And then when I looked at it, I was like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna make with these bright colors? Here we go. So yes, this is the green, this jumpsuit, which again, so comfortable, so cute, and I love it. I could imagine it made up in a linen or like a silky type and just be gorgeous as well. So that's coming. I definitely plan to pair this with some boots and like a denim jean jacket for fall as well, and I think it's gonna be really cute. So that's the green. And then I have the blue, which is this dress, which I love the blue here. I don't know if you'll see the full effect of it on the hanger because it's not wrapped, but it is a wrap dress. And you can see how stunning that blue is, you guys. So it wraps like this, and this just hugs so nicely on the body. The fabric drapes so well. This was actually a crepe that I got. And this is the back. It's a very long dress, and it kind of like doesn't have a slit for real, but it kind of does. You'll see that. I'll show you pictures and video of that. But this is the blue, and let's see, for this blue dress I used MCCALL'S 8088, which is this pattern here. I used View B, and yeah, you can see better there, the dress fully, and I love it. I love the dress, I love the color, and I get a lot of compliments on this dress as well. So that is the blue in my rainbow of God's promise, and it has ties here as well that go through. You know how it goes with the wrap dress. So that's the blue, and then we have our purple. I'm gonna tell y'all the full story about this purple. Y'all know I have a story. So this purple was not originally a vest, it was a blouse, and it's lilac. I had originally planned to sew this whole purple blazer, and I was like, no, I don't think I'm gonna have time before summer's out. So I sewed up this vest top blouse instead. I really like it. The fit is really good with the buttons down the front and the darts in the back. Super cute vest that is definitely on trend right now. Vests are everywhere. For this part, the purple part of my rainbow, I used MCCALL'S 7900, which is this here. And I sewed up View A, and it had that flutter sleeve, and I hated it, and I tucked them in. I didn't even take them off yet, y'all. I tucked the sleeves in because I was like, it's giving Disney princess, it's giving fairy, and I had to take those off. So you heard it here first. This is the purple. It actually had a skirt to go with it, and the skirt was terrible. So I had to nix the skirt, and I just had to go with the vest. So that's what happened there. Sometimes you win some, you lose some. Know when to hold them, know when to fold them, right? So that is the purple, and then you guys have seen the red, the Vogue suit. If you have not seen the red, go back and watch my review of Vogue pattern 2036. So if you didn't see it, here it is again. This is the Vogue vest with the pockets, lots of welt pockets here. And then the pants, which are here, which was like a ankle length pant. And again, that was Vogue 2036, which is this pattern here. So that's what started it all, the red and the rainbow. So we got our red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, all the colors here. So hopefully y'all can see that. Let me turn this if you cannot. Ooh. Bam. That is my God's Promise collection, you guys. I've been having fun making these collections this summer. And now that the kids are back in school and things are picking up again, I don't know when it's gonna be before I share another collection with you, but it was fun. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite piece was of this collection. Again, this was mostly all in poplin, a little bit of crepe, and a little bit of cotton. So yeah, overall I enjoyed making this collection. All the patterns were lovely. I would recommend them. Yeah, I recommend them all. I'm not really a baby doll style girl, I learned that, but it's a cute dress. So like I said, it's gonna go to my daughter and she's gonna love it. So yeah, but definitely give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so we can continue to hang out together. All right, you guys. Well, until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Be blessed and happy sewing.